that exploration place in our newest traveling exhibit, Ice Dinosaurs. If you're a big dinosaur lover like me, this exhibit is a must-see. Here, we're gonna learn all about how dinosaurs lived in the different harsh seasons of Alaska. So let's geek out together and travel through time. Come face to face with 17 life-size animatronic dinosaurs and Cretaceous skeletons that roamed the Arctic. You'll learn from science stations about nesting and how they survived long periods of darkness and different harsh environments. And you'll also get to touch replicas of dinosaur skulls and bones that connect you directly to the prehistoric past. Beyond fossil replicas, you get to actually touch a real-life petrified wood, a tree that's millions of years old. And as you journey through changing seasons, you're gonna be able to encounter so much more than dinosaurs. You'll be able to meet creatures like mammals and reptiles that lived during the ancient Arctic with the dinosaurs. And you get to learn some of the newest discoveries and breakthroughs, especially with dinosaurs and feathers. And the experience doesn't stop there. Alongside Ice Dinosaurs, we have many hands-on activities and places to explore, fun for all ages. Ice Dinosaurs is open from now to January 4th. We hope to see you here if you can make it past the guards.